Hey guys, welcome to my Crazy Food Museum. Today I want to introduce you about my favorite fruit is a durian. It means a king of fruit. Durian is famous in Vietnam or other Asian countries. Durian is a native fruit of Southeast Asia and it belongs to the family of Moraceae with a hard Spanish rind. The durian is cultivated in Indonesia, the Philippines, Malaysia, and southern Thailand as well as Vietnam. Durian can combine with many nutrients, for example, vitamin C, folic acid, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, B6, and vitamin A. If you eat durian, you feel happy because of containing serotonin in it, and durian is rich in the mineral iron, so it helps support our bone health or reduce cancer risk. However, if you eat durian too much, you can have blood sugar, soreness of breath, or even vomiting. On the right of table, you can see many components of durian nutrients. They are calories, fats, carb, fiber, protein, vitamin C, thiamine, and manganese. Move on to the how durian is grown. The durian tree is ultra-tropical or native of Southeast Asia, equatorial rainforest, and needs much tropical warmth, abundant moisture, and sunshine to thrive. So it have more conditions to thrive. For example, the durian are kept at temperatures between 75 degrees Fahrenheit and 85 degrees Fahrenheit for them to flourish. If the temperature falls below 45 degrees Fahrenheit, the durian trees will lose its leaf and likely dies off as a result. Durian also love water, so they require at least 60 inches of rainfall per year. Another condition to have the maintain the durian is about the humidity. Humidity needs to be between 70 and 90%. Let's move on to talk about the traditional food. Durian is used in sweet and savory dishes. So you can see how many the durian foods. For example, durian ice cream, durian cheesecake, or durian cheese. Both the creamy, fresh, and seeds are edible, and the seeds need to be cooked. The flavor is described as tasting like cheese, amor, garlic, and caramel at one. If people are not familiar with medical use. In Asia, the durian's leaf and roots are decoction have believed to show antibiotic effects, and decoction are used as a febrifuge and antimalarial agent. It is used to treat many diseases, for example, cold and treat skin disease and swelling, as well as immune system. Many people believe that durian fruit contains strong for disease such property, and if people consume of the fruits with alcohol, it will lead to death. Through the durian fruits, I can learn more information about this one. For example, although durian is classified as the most difficult fruit to eat, it is very popular in Southeast Asia. Lots of people compare the smell of durian as trim clothes, rotten meat, and even raw seaweed. However, durian is very expensive because containing nutrients and leaving an unforgettable impression on many time eaters. The fruit is very nutrient and can treat lots of disease. If people are not familiar with the smell, they consider it as disgusting food. However, people in Asia really love the fruits. I create another slide for try eating unique food. A lot of countries have disgusting fruits. However, if we accept to try defines the food, we can understand if we rate this at a good stand or not. It has a different characteristics of each country. Respecting its country food is respecting the country our food. In conclusion, I hope everyone can interact in my food show and have more information about this food, and will have more starting to try the food. There are references, citation on my topic. Thank you for listening to my topic.